to our look at the upcoming March 9th trading session. In front of you, I have the economic calendar. As per, you see that there are quite a few announcements coming out. Only a couple of mid-level ones, and the more interesting announcements during the session will come out of minor countries, that being interest rate statement out of Canada and New Zealand. We do have crude oil inventories. That could be rather market moving as we approach a major resistance barrier as the market has shot straight up in the air. We have manufacturing production coming out of Great Britain. And at the end of the day, we have PPI and CPI coming out of China, which can move overall risk appetite. With the Canadians releasing an interest rate statement, it will be a day to pay attention to the Canadian dollar, especially considering the fact that we also get the crude oil inventory numbers. So having said that, we did get a bit of a rally during the day on Tuesday. It'll be interesting to see if we can break above these stems here at about 1.3450. If we can, then the call buyer should rush in to push this market higher. On the other hand, though, if we break down a bit, we could drive down to about 1.32 or so. Speaking of crude oil, the WTI market found $38 to be a bit resistant. There's a major issue at 40, though. U.S. shale producers come in and flood the market. So at this point in time, it's very difficult to get overly bullish. We are a bit overextended. We'll have to see. I know that OPEC has been talking to some non-member countries about freezing output, perhaps even a cut in production, and that's part of what's been driving this market. It's a lot of short covering. That being said, though, would have to think that the real danger of a move is to the downside at this point. The DAX in Germany did fall to the 9,600 euros level, but we turned right back around to form a bit of a hammer. That's a pretty bullish sign, but ultimately I feel that we are essentially stuck in a consolidation area. So short-term calls and puts can be bought. Calls closer to the 9,600 level, puts closer to the 9,900 level. With that, we've taken a look at the upcoming March 9th trading session.